Hello there from Nutzaboutme, and it is episode 13 today. Now, what can it possibly be with an M in the summer season? It's a mango, of course. What else? A beautiful, beautiful anti-aging ingredient for the face. I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful face mask with mango today. Easy peasy. Mash up a mango, which I've already done, a ripe mango, and mix it with honey. Always honey with me. I love honey on my face. I'm also going to use almond oil. Almond oil is another wonderful ingredient for anti-aging or just providing lots of hydration on your face. I love it on my face as well as my body when I'm in the mood for some TLC. All you need to do is mix this up. This is really very simple. And just the juice, honey and almond oil on the face. Great for any pigmentation, suntan. Basically great for anti-aging. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes. So here it goes, mango, honey, almond oil today. You can mix mango with your favorite gram flour, besan, or with oats, or just with honey. It's great anti-aging ingredient. Enjoy it, leave it on the face for 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna go just relax, stay calm, stay safe, stay healthy. See you later. Bye from Nutzaboutme. Subscribe, give me comments, keep watching. Love you.
Yeah, it's materialistic things, that's all that seems right. They steal, they break, they hate and hate and hate. No love, no loves, just hate and hate and hating. Cause at the end of the day, they're so eager to know that pay. It's all about the money, 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 money. To the O to the N to the EY.